on the wall, mirror on the wall.
Good evening, dear. Welcome to my channel. Today you're gonna learn how to make this evil queen makeup and this poison apple. Sounds a little bit weird, right? But that's the truth. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make this beautiful poison apple and this beautiful evil queen makeup from the Snow White book or movie or yeah, story. You know what I mean. But if you want to learn how to make this look and this gorgeous apple, just keep watching.
We're going to start with our apple, and I'm using just a regular apple that I had in my fridge and this eyebrow pencil from Benefit. You could use any eyeliner. It's gonna help you to do your design and then you can erase it very easy. For the design, I look up a picture of the actual apple on the internet and I'm just gonna try to recreate this design on the apple. Starting with the nose, the eyes, and the dripping line. This is gonna help us to put the hot glue in the actual place. And the hot glue, you're gonna be very careful because it's gonna be really hot and just don't burn yourself. To paint, I'm using this water-based paint and I just picked it because I really like this lime color, very bright. You could use any type of paint that you want. Once it's dry, I'm using the Q-tip just to erase all that pencil from the bottom, and this is your poison apple. Now it's time for the makeup.
To start, I'm using the Cake and Bake sponge with some luminizer primer from Dr. Brandt. And we're just going to apply it all over our face. I want to have my skin looking perfect and super pale like the evil queen, so I'm going to be using All Nighter foundation in the shade 0.5, and I'm just going to apply it randomly everywhere and then I will dab the color all around. As you can see, it's very pale.
So I'm doing the pretty looking queen. Oh my god. I'm doing the pretty looking queen.
Okay, stop. It took me like 100 times just to tell you this, so please vote.
So I'm doing the pretty looking queen, evil queen, sorry, from Snow White. If you would like me to do the actual scary, very wrinkly, old looking witch, just let me know and vote right here on the corner for me to do that look. As you can see, I look very pale at this point. Don't worry, this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to look very ghost. After I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to apply some powder. I'm using the 4-in-1 Pure Cosmetic powder. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I'm not going to do a cream contour. We're going to leave that for other time because I don't have time for that right now. So what I'm doing is just going all over my foundation with this brush and some powder to set it all good in place. Before I go and attack my eyebrows and my eyes, I'm going to finish my face and I'm going to add some blush. This is the Sigma Aura powder in the rosa color. This is a peach color and I'm going to apply a lot of blush. I've been looking at the Evil Queen makeup look and she has like this and she wears a lot of blush, no contour, and red lips. So I'm trying to go kind of like that but adding a little bit more of glam to it. Hopefully we'll have something really good. Okay, now we have a lot of blush. After my blush, I would like to add some highlight. Yes. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and I'm going to go with a lot of glow. To apply my highlighter, I'm using the Strobing Fan from Sigma. This is the F42. One of my favorite brushes to apply highlight. And we're just going to go and boom. mucho highlight for this queen. My nose. I always like to apply some highlight on top of my eyebrow. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use a darker color than the one that I usually use. And I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills in soft brown. And I'm going to have very, not crazy, but not my typical eyebrow. Because I'm going to try to make it very round, very curvy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to define the front of my eyebrow. And then instead of going completely straight and then down, I'm just gonna make a little bit of an arch here and pull it down. On the top, instead of doing a very bold and angular eyebrow, I'm just gonna do a round eyebrow. And that's how you get round eyebrows. Is that how you call them? Round eyebrows? For the eyes, I'm going to apply this NYX Vivid Bright in the color Sugar Rush. It's kind of a light purple color. But I'm going to use it as a base or as a eyeshadow primer to actually make my eyeshadow pop more than it would. With a fluffy brush, I'm just going to apply it in my eyelid. And I'm using the same brush to blend away. Now for the smoky eyes, I'm going to use this Electric Obsession from Huda Beauty. And I'm going to start with this purple shade right here at the top. And I'm just going to apply it all over. Once you have it in place, you just got to blend it. Now that we have something looking like a purple eye, we're going to apply some black closer to the lashes line. Now with the same purple eyeshadow, we're going to apply a little bit under the eye. Since I want my Evil Queen to look super glamorous, I'm going to be adding some glitter. And this is the pressed glitter palette from Beauty Glaze. And this is how it looks. I got it off Amazon. And I'm going to be using this color right here. You can use your fingers or a brush to apply it. I'm just going to be using my fingers. And that's what you get. For the waterline, I'm going to use some black pencil. To add some glow in the inner corner of my eye, I'm just going to put some of this Arctic Glow to give that inner light. Now I'm going to do the other eye and then I will be back to put some lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Sinuosity Lash Curling Mascara from Sigma. Now it's time for our lashes. I'm going to be using this Scarlet number 8 from Huda Beauty. They're very dramatic and I just want to have something really dramatic for this look. I'm going to apply some glue. Once the glue is starting to dry, we can apply. I always apply in the middle first and then I secure the sides. Our Evil Queen has red lips and I'm going to be using this lip paint from Tattoo Junkie. And I'm going to open it because it's new. And this is a very bright red. So this is basically the makeup. Now what I'm going to do is add all my props and let's see how everything looks together. So this is the actual costume. I got this thanks to HalloweenCustom.com. And it comes with the dress, the headpiece, and the neck piece. I put my hair in a bun and I'm gonna try the headpiece first. And this goes like this. And this has a velcro here, but I still feel that it's too big on my head. So I'm just gonna not do the velcro and do a little knot. That's better. And then I'm gonna hide the rest in here. Let's put my hair on the sides. For the neck piece, I'm just gonna go over, look this, and put my thing. I feel pretty cool. And of course, you cannot be the Evil Queen without your apple. And here's my apple. I think I have to practice on my Evil Queen laugh. Well, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what would you like to see in my next tutorials.